As a committee mandated by the Meghalaya State Assembly, I'll just give you the gist of the meeting that we had, because the detail of the meeting we will have to produce the floor of the House in form of recommendation and the report. But just for the knowledge of the people, that the committee under the Education Department, under the head of account 4202, we have discussed thoroughly about the implementation of the construction of various components within various modern degree college within the state, that is in Projek and Patakma, as well as other institutions like Kiang Nangbah College, the extension, and the other infrastructure that we have within various districts, or polytechnic in Jowai, in William Nagar, as well as the polytechnic in Pynpaw, in Northstone, and other part of the state. As well as we have followed up about the mission education, the construction of the upgradation of the government LP school within the state. When it comes to PWD, under the head of account 4059, we have discussed about the implementation under this head, especially during the preceding financial year from 2022 onward. And we have reviewed and various projects within the PWD building. This head is under PWD building. The infrastructure within the state and outside the state also, like Megan House outside the state, the construction, the renovation, the upgradation which has been taken place, we have taken stock of this. With regard to PHE department, to the head of account 4215, we have discussed about various projects, for example, like the completion of the Ampati, Greater Ampati Water Supply Scheme, as well as other component of other projects in the state also. We have discussed and instructed the department to do as soon as possible so that the project will be completed in due course of time. Then with regard to the meeting today with the Social Welfare Department, where we are concerned about the uncovered villages which do not have Anganwadi center. There are around more than 1,600 villages which do not have. And we have taken note of this, and we have advised the Social Welfare Department to find out ways and means to get funds from the central government as well as the state government. Even though most of these villages, they remain uncovered because they didn't fulfill the guidelines, especially with regards to the population and the household that they have. So in this regard also, we have discussed it thoroughly. So with regard to the Home Police Department, under the head of account 4055, this also we have discussed about the construction or the infrastructure that has been made in the state, be it in the Khasi region or the Garo region also. And we have made an observation that the implementing agency under the Home Police Department, under the head of account 4055, be it the engineering wing of the police headquarters, as well as MGCC, we have instructed them to do it as soon as possible so that they will meet the requirement as per the provision that has been made in the budget during the preceding year. And lastly, we had a meeting with the Information Technology Communication Department, and we're happy to observe that the IT park that has been constructed at Saudi, Shillong, it is completed, and we hope that it will serve the purpose to ensure the address the unemployment of the region as well as other issues that needed to be incorporated. At the same time, we have discussed about the status of the initiative taken by the government with regard to the last mile connectivity, the dream and aspiration of the Honorable Chief Minister to ensure that the internet, high-speed internet connectivity will be available to the citizen at large, especially the district headquarters, the block headquarters, as well as the subdivision headquarters. And this is it is at the final stage, even though a few area in Tura has been made personalized. But in other part of the state, very soon we hope that it will be made available. And we have made an observation that this also it has to be on a fast track so that it will benefit for the people at large.